What's the meaning of Artie Shaw? Artie Shaw. Artie Shaw.
Artie Shaw. Artie Shaw. Artie Shaw was an American clarinetist, composer, bandleader, and actor. He is widely regarded as one of the most influential jazz musicians of his time, known for his virtuosic clarinet playing and innovative arrangements. He achieved great success in the swing era of the 1930s and 1940s, with hit songs such as Begin the Begin and Frenesy. Despite his success, he was also known for his perfectionism and contentious personality. Shaw retired from music several times throughout his career and ultimately passed away in 2004 at the age of 94.